So I'm not sure where that ended, but for the intro to the second one, I would give a quick intro on how to graph and like what the graph looks like, and so it'd be like an overview, and then for the video on how to graph and like also a list on how to like graph and the steps, I would create or find a video on YouTube and like embed it into the website, and then or the interactive module. And then I'd create like a fancy list. Well, that's basically just like a step-by-step procedure on how to graph, like, and it'd be very detailed. I could also create a screencast on how to graph and like put that in there, so then it's like step-by-step, which I would also include the steps on that. So the excuse me, the interactive website would basically be the students would practice graphing. I wouldn't personally make that. I would have to find that, which I haven't found it yet, but I know it's out there. So the students would click on a link in the website, and it would be like them practicing. So they would go to this website and practice graphing and like making tables and just like making sure they understand like actually how to graph and master graphing before they move on to actually solving the equations. And then the importance of a graph and like knowing how to graph, I would be using a text box and saying why it's important to understand the like the importance of a graph and why they should know how to graph the equation before solving the formula.